IBS and the GAPS diet. If you go on the GAPS diet, will it get rid of your IBS, irritable bowel syndrome? I had really bad irritable bowel syndrome, and for a long time I did nothing and my symptoms were relatively mild. I went on drugs for a year. That didn't do anything, so I eventually tried the GAPS diet. And now I went on this diet and my symptoms slightly improved, but then my birthday rolled around and I wanted to have some cake and ice cream because for 3 months I literally could not go out to eat with my friends and family. Could not, it was just a nightmare to go out to eat with friends and family. I couldn't do it. I cheated on my birthday and I ate a bunch of foods I wasn't supposed to eat, and I thought I was going to die. I was so sick. And it was all the GAPS diet's fault. Before I went on the GAPS diet, I could eat anything and I just had very minor symptoms. I was functional, wasn't that bad. GAPS diet, anytime I cheated, super sick, had to call off work for a day or two. Now, it wasn't until I discovered something called German New Medicine where I was able to get off all diets and eat whatever I want, and I put on 20 to 30 pounds in just a month or two. And this is after years of shoveling down whey protein powder with a personal trainer for 3 years straight. Could barely gain a pound, started doing German New Medicine, and it was like I couldn't believe it. And all my symptoms were gone. So German New Medicine shows us that our brain is putting our colon in and out of overdrive due to a stressful situation in our life. And now what does the colon do? What is the survival purpose of the colon? Why would the brain put it into overdrive? Dr. Hammer could see this on a brain CT scan. He could look at someone's CT scan and be like, okay, you have testicular cancer and lung cancer. You have Crohn's or an IBS or colitis. He could look at your brain CT scan and know exactly what health conditions this person had. And so the type of conflict that's putting our intestines in and out of overdrive is there's something important to my survival. I will die without this thing if I don't have it every day, if I can't digest and absorb this thing every day. And I get angry and I get frustrated when I can't digest and absorb this thing. And there might be crap getting in the way, stuff I want to eject from my life. And now when you want to eject something from your life that you refer to as crap, for me it was time. I need more time to play my video games. I need more time to achieve my goals. These chores, school, hockey, dumb people at Target who are taking too long to check out. This crap is getting in the way of me digesting time so I can get the high score on that video game. I played way too much World of Warcraft and Minecraft, and I reached my YouTube goals. Was putting my intestines in and out of overdrive. What is the stressful thing in your life? What was stressing you out a lot when you first got IBS symptoms? When you first got those irritable bowel syndromes? Was it something with your family, boyfriend, girlfriend? Like, what was it? Now, if you're constipated, it's, I can't digest and absorb this thing and I'm holding on to it for dear life because I might never see it again. Whereas if it's diarrhea, it's more of like, this crap is getting in the way of me absorbing something important. Let's get rid of it and eject it, and we get diarrhea. What is that thing for you? Go leave a comment down below in the comments section. I answer all of my comments. But the way that I help people fix their IBS is with my 13-day protocol. It goes step by step, day by day. It helps us find that traumatic memory that put our colon in and out of overdrive and is giving us IBS. It finds the memory, it changes, it diffuses the PTSD triggers, it destroys those beliefs, putting your gut in and out of overdrive. It is literally that simple. It's that simple. So go down below, leave a comment. My name's Mike the Healer Gut Guy, and I'll see you in the next video.